Stop scrolling right now. Your Samsung phone could be draining your battery, slowing down, and even tracking your activity. All this was because of settings you didn't even know were turned on. Today, I'll show you 7 hidden Samsung settings you must turn off immediately, and trust me, number 5 is the worst one. Most Samsung users never change these settings. They come on by default, and they silently run in the background every single day. But don't worry. I'll walk you through step by step, and you can fix everything in the next few minutes. Make sure you watch till the end, because the last setting is the one killing your battery the most. Setting 1. Background data. Let's start with something that affects every Samsung phone. Go to Settings, then Apps, and tap on any app like Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube. Now tap on Mobile Data and Wi-Fi, and look at this, Allow background data usage. This means the app is running even when you're not using it. You must turn off immediately. Pause the video and check your top 3 apps. I guarantee at least one of them is wasting your data right now. Setting 2. Location tracking. Your phone tracks your location more often than you think, even when apps are closed. Go to Settings, Location Services. Now scroll, you'll see things like Google Location Accuracy, Scanning, and more. If you don't need them, you must turn off immediately. Some apps track where you go and how long you stay, and you may not even realize it. Wait, don't skip this next one. This is where things get serious. Setting 3. Personalized ads. Go to Settings, Privacy Ads. You'll see a personalized ad. Watch and click to show you ads. You must turn off immediately. Let me know in the comments, did you know your phone was doing this? Setting 4. Nearby device scanning. Now this one is sneaky. Go to Settings, Connections, More Connection Settings. You'll find Nearby Device Scanning. This constantly searches for devices around you, even when you're not using it. You must turn off immediately. This alone can improve battery life noticeably. Setting 5. Auto Sync, biggest one. This next one is the biggest battery killer on your Samsung phone. Go to Settings, Accounts, and Backup, Manage Accounts. Tap on any account, then Sync Account. Your phone is constantly syncing emails, contacts, apps, all the time. Turn off auto sync for things you don't need instantly. Setting 6. Usage. Use your phone. Remove access for apps that don't need it. This improves both privacy and performance. Setting 7. Diagnostic data. This is the last one, and almost nobody turns this off. Go to Settings, Privacy, More Privacy Settings. Look for Send Diagnostic Data. This sends your usage data to improve services, but it runs in the background constantly. You must turn off immediately. Your phone is now faster, safer, and your battery will last longer. If you made it this far, you're already ahead of 90% of Samsung users. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Life Facts Hacks for more easy Android tips and real-life hacks. See you in the next one.